Good morning, everybody. So we are at the height of, I guess, a second storm or in the middle of one storm. I don't know. But we are completely encased just about, except for my little hot spot where all the kitties are under their heat lamps. So I'm debating whether or not to go and clear the roof off. I have to figure out, is it actually insulating them somewhat? I had all of this shoveled. Believe it or not, I was a good girl, had everything cleaned. And this probably started at about 5 a.m. So they're okay though, don't worry. And they'll get I'll probably give them a hot breakfast as well as a hot dinner. They have big, gigantic bowls of food in there. I know, I want to bring all of y'all inside too. It's just too much. But wish us well. We wish everybody well.